Hi coffee lovers! Discover the Gevalia Frothy 2-Step Caramel Macchiato Espresso KeurigKCup Coffee Pods and Froth Packets Kit. This kit includes 6 K-Cup pods and froth packets that create a smooth, creamy caramel macchiato at home. Made with slow-roasted, snap-cooled coffee beans, it delivers rich espresso flavor with delicious caramel notes. The froth packets use real milk to add authentic café-style foam that's rich and creamy. Designed for Keurig 1.0 and 2.0 brewing systems, these single-serve pods lock in fresh flavor until you brew. Enjoy a quick and easy 2-step brewing process that brings coffeehouse quality to your kitchen. Elevate your morning with Gevalia's perfect cup every time. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.